Curl Figueroa, a former national school and national university Bullpups, and the rest of the Villa de Bacolor team. Or game at hand, Villa de Bacolor kontra One Magalang basketball team. Isang magandang umaga po sa inyo mga kabalen. Ako po ang inyong makakasama, Penelope Wilhelmina, para sa labang Villa de Bacolor kontra One Magalang basketball. At so, of course, mga kabalen, pwede nyo pong tutukan itong ating Delta Cup 2023 to 2024 dito sa ating Facebook page at Pampanga PIO. At syempre, meron din po tayong YouTube channel at Pampanga PIO at Pampanga_PIO rather. At syempre, pwede nyo rin po yung tutukan sa partner na broadcast channel na itong Delta Cup at Sinag Liga TV. Of course, titignan muna natin dito kung saan na ba ang dalawang koponan na maglalaban nito dito sa ating team standings. As we can see here, Villa de Bacolor is nandito sila sa pangalawa, second to the last dito sa ating bracket A. At itong One Magalang basketball ay nandito sila sa 7th spot with 3-3 standing. So, it's very important para dito sa dalawang team na to na manalo dahil papalapit na nga ito ating playoffs. And hindi na natin ito patatagalin pa. Coming up is the battle between Villa de Bacolor kontra One Magalang basketball. And now, I'm turning you over to Ram Valid for our starters of the game.
Villa de Bacolor and your One Magalang basketball. And now let's meet the starters for both teams. First, for your Villa de Bacolor. At guard number 10, Jog Moral. Also at guard number 9, Andre De Leon. At forward number 7, Jenna Joquino. Also at forward number 19, JP Pangilinan. And center number 17, Gab Lapira. Head coach for Villa de Bacolor is Jesus Pangilinan. Assistant coaches Rexan Kunan, EJ Kapati, Jude Tatu, and JB Bescaino. And now let's meet the starters for your One Magalang basketball. Starting at guard number 28, Errol Manaloto. Also at guard number 11, Nilo Likud. At forward number 9, Kian Dunka. Also at forward number 21, Rapa Kanlapan. And center number 22, Jeff Buton. Head coach for One Magalang basketball is Joey Mercado. Assistant coaches, Pons Malig, Jervin Judilia, Jeremima Peliciano, and Laide Calaguas. Game officials for this game, Jong Banayad, Jess Boras, and Willie Hibe. This is your Delta Cup 2023 Intermediate and Cities Basketball Tournament. We are one.
And we can see here, let's see, for our starters for this ball game, we have here, for the side of Villa de Bacolor, we have here Soto, Figueroa, Dicyono, Pangilinan, and De Leon. And para sa panig nitong One Magalang, we have here Manaloto, Buton, Likup, Dunka, and Kanlapan. First possession goes to Villa de Bacolor. What will Villa de Bacolor do here? Diocono, and a first basket for Villa de Bacolor here. Pero nadulas yun sa kamay nito ni Kian Dunka. An easy basket again there for Joquino. Diocuno rather. Ang hirap banggitin na yung apelido nito. But then the first basket for Jasper Asuncion. Manaloto rather. Kakahilo naman dito. Here, One Magalang, the three-point shot. Whoa! Our first three-point shot of the ball game. Care of JP Pangilinan by Villa de Bacolor. 7-2 is our score in favor of Villa de Bacolor here. Eight minutes and 39 seconds. Wala pa sa 2 minutes as we take a look here. A 3-point shot there from JP Pangilinan with no hesitation and whatsoever. As another possession here for Villa de Bacolor. Dunka passes it to Moral. Moral passes it. But a steal there for the side of Juan Magalang. And an easy basket for John Soto. Figueroa. And a steal there for the side of Juan Magalang. What a move there. From Ariel Manaloto. Bawi doon. But a sorry miss there for Moral. And a foul there. 8-7. 7 minutes and 34 seconds. Lamang na dito ng isang Juan Magalang as we take a look here at the beautiful layup there by Ariel Manaloto of Juan Magalang. Likup, rather. 3-point shot. It's no good, but a putback there by Kian Dunka. One thing for this Juan Magalang basketball, they know that pag mag-miss itong shot ng teammate nila, nakaabang sila dito eh. As the star of the NU Bullpups, Curl Figueroa, scored his first basket of the ball game for Villa de Bacolor. The great defense there for the side of Villa de Bacolor, but a steal there for the side of Juan Magalang. Almost a miss there, but a putback there by Ariel Manaloto. He know na magmi-miss yung shot niya, but then nakaabang siya doon. A 3-point shot, no good. Para dito kay Andre De Leon. An easy basket for Kian Dunka. 6 minutes and 22 seconds remaining. Timeout on the floor, 14-9. As we take a look first at our replay here, that beautiful pass of Kian Dunka to Ariel Manaloto. There's a timeout on the floor, 6 minutes and 22 seconds remaining, 14-9. As 6 minutes and 22 seconds remaining, we can see here Jerafel Diocuno. Nakakabulol yung pangalan itong batang to, but we can see here De Leon. De Leon passes it to Jerafel. No good for the 3-point shot there, but a rebound from Curl Figueroa. Oh, but a steal there for the side of Juan Magalang. But one thing, netong si Jeff Buton, he wasn't able to keep the ball on his hands. Another ball possession here for the side of Villa de Bacolor. What will they do here? Moral passes it. Oh, another 3-point shot there for JP Pangilinan. And a steal there for the side of Villa de Bacolor. De Leon for 3. No good. A rebound there for Juan Magalang. 5 minutes and 22 seconds remaining. 14-12. And an easy basket there for Ariel Manaloto. De Leon passes it to Moral. Moral passes it. And another good move there for Diocuno. This guy, hindi ganun kaganda hindi ganun kalaki yung height niya, but then he was able to be aggressive. Kahit malalaki yung defender sa dito for Juan Magalang as a possession for Juan Magalang here. And a contested basket there for Ariel Manaloto. This guy has been so aggressive for the side of Juan Magalang. Almost a good move there for Curl Figueroa. And a steal there para dito sa panig ng Villa de Bacolor. A nice pass there. Nice fake. No good. Pero nakakuha ng foul dito ang Villa de Bacolor against Ariel Manaloto. Take a look here on the replay. Ariel Manaloto, that beautiful move. Makes it an easy basket for him. Ginagamit niya dito yung height advantage niya against the defenders of Villa de Bacolor here. Inbound for Villa de Bacolor. As we can see here, what will Bacolor do? Passes it. They can go here for a quick two. Nice pass there to Curl Figueroa and an easy basket for Figueroa in there. This guy reminds me of his eldest brother, Jake Figueroa, mga tubong Kapampangan. A proud players of National University. 3 minutes and 47 seconds. What a fast first quarter. A fast game face. 18-16. Dalawa lang ang hinahabol dito ng Bacolor. It's a substitution on the floor. 3-point shot there. No good. Para dito kay Rafa Canlapan. Here. Almost a steal para dito kay Andre De Leon. But Andre De Leon, nice pass there. Libreng-libre dito. Si Chog Moral, still no good, but a rebound there by Curl Figueroa. As we turn it over first to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, for her reports para sa parehong koponan. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Penelope. Alam nyo, grabe ang team pala ng Bacolor dahil ayon kay Coach Rexon, ang head coach ng Bacolor, ay ngayon daw nagsama-sama at naging available ang 5 players nila na galing pa ng Manila at from different schools. Kaya big adjustments ang gagawin nila ngayon at ika nga ni Coach Rexon, communication ang kanilang kailangan gawin para makadepensa sila ng maayos at maipanalo muli nila ang laban ngayon. On the other team naman, Juan Magalang, grabe din ang preparations nila dahil ayon kay Coach Ponce Malig, ang head coach ng Magalang, ay nag-review sila ng game at lahat ng pagkukulang nila from the previous game ay hahanapan nila ng solusyon at gagawin nila ang best nila to win this game. Balik sa iyo, Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ. So, based sa report nito ni MJ Raimundo, kitang-kita natin dito that the Villa de Bacolor, galing pang Manila, itong mga players niya. Of course, I mentioned earlier, the rising star of the National University Bullpups, itong si Curl Figueroa. At para dito sa panig na itong Juan Magalang, from a 2-5 standing, of course, wala namang imposible if they win this game against Villa de Bacolor. As 2 minutes and 12 seconds, 22-18. Balik sa 4 ang kalamangan nitong Juan Magalang. Here, an inbound for Villa de Bacolor. Jumper. Jumper is no good para dito kay Diocuno. A turnover here for Juan Magalang. Manaloto. But a steal there for the side of Villa de Bacolor. Nice pass there from Moral to Diocuno. What a connection that this Villa de Bacolor. Take a look here at the replay. That's still there from the pass from Moral to Diocuno. Let's make this ball game 1 minute and 39 seconds. Dalawa na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Juan Magalang as time out on the floor, 22-20. We are now back at the 1 minute and 39 seconds of this ball game. 22-20. Dalawa ang kalamangan dito ng Juan Magalang. As an inbound for Juan Magalang basketball, what will they do or who will they go to? They can still go here for a quick 2, but they can still try there for a 3-point shot there. Bulat ako doon, sa harap ko nag-land yun. But then, a steal again for the side of Villa de Bacolor. One thing about this Villa de Bacolor I'm seeing right now, it's my first time to cover their game here in Delta Cup. A great defense para dito sa panig ng Villa de Bacolor. One thing na dapat i-keep up netong Juan Magalang basketball. Because it's proven for a lot of games that offense wins games. But defense wins a crucial ball games. Dahil after a good defense, susunod ang maayos na depensa dito. But that 3-point shot is no good for Moral. Another 3-point shot there. It's good again for JP Pangilinan. His 3-point shot again. Another steal there for the side of Villa de Bacolor. Lapira. What a fast break there by Lapira. Here, Juan Magalang. Still no good. A turnover for Diocuno. Diocuno. What a move there. Muntik pa maagaw yun, pero natapik pa yun neto. Another 3-point JP Pangilinan. Maganda ang gising neto ni JP Pangilinan. His 4th 3-point shot of the ball game rather. 20 seconds is remaining for our first quarter. Lamang na dito ang Villa de Bacolor. As we take a look here at that pass from Noel de la Cruz to JP Pangilinan, libre-libre. The 3-point shot there. No hesitation. And he knocks down a 3-point. 10 seconds remaining. What will Villa de Bacolor do? Who will they go to? Moral. Moral passes it. Almost a buzzer beater there. 28-22 in favor now of Villa de Bacolor. As we take a look at her first quarter highlights here, that great drive from Diocuno over here and here. To the side of Juan Magalang. Nice pass there to Ariel Manaloto. Here. That move again from the side of Villa de Bacolor rather. Here, Likop passes it. Grabe. And here, the 3-point shot of JP Pangilinan, one of his 4th 3-point shot of the quarter. That makes his ball game 28-22. Apat ang kalamangan dito ng Villa de Bacolor, 28-22. And inbound here for the side of Juan Magalang as we're now back at the second quarter of this ball game. Manaloto. Manaloto passes it. One-hand shot there, no good, but another rebound for the side of Juan Magalang here. Manaloto, what will he do? Medyo bantay dito si Manaloto. Isa siya yung majority na nagsuscore dito para sa panig ng Juan Magalang. But again, meron ditong pinapabate. Itong stats natin dito na si Seth De Pedro watching from Japan is Ren Razon, Angelica Niverio, and Edmond Niverio. Ang mga family daw niya na nanonood from Japan. Happy watching there po sa Japan. As we are now back here at our ball game. And a foul there called para dito sa Villa de Bacolor. Here an inbound for Juan Magalang. Manaloto, a jumper is good for Ariel Manaloto. 28 to 27, 8 minutes and 54 seconds remaining. Oh, tumama yun sa board. Nice pass there para dito sa Villa de Bacolor. Jumper. Jumper is no good but almost a rebound there para kay Gabriel Lapira. Manaloto against De Leon. Foul there. Called against dito sa Villa de Bacolor. As we take a look here, the replay. Beautiful pass to Ariel Manaloto and the jumper is good for him. Knowing na madaming nakabantay dun sa kanya, hindi niya napigilit i-drive yun. As we can see here, Manaloto, one of the scorers para dito sa Juan Magalang basketball. Nice pass there, almost an alley-oop play. Then dito, Moral, almost a good pass also there. Here, another jumper. No good. Figueroa checks in again for this ball game para dito sa Villa de Bacolor. Inbound for Moral. Moral passes it to De Leon. Back again to De Leon. De Leon against, but a good pass there. Nice eye dito para sa panig ng Bacolor. An easy basket for Manese. Manaloto passes it to Canlapan. One hand shot there, no good. But a put back there para dito kay Rafa Canlapan of Juan Magalang basketball. 7 minutes and 23 seconds. 30 to 29. Isa na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Villa de Bacolor. What a nice pass there to De Leon. Almost a good shot there for Chog Moral. Here, Manaloto. Manaloto against the 4 defenders of Villa de Bacolor. A steal there for De Leon. Moral. Oh, good block there para dito kay Rafa Canlapan of Juan Magalang basketball. Pero balik ang ball possession dito sa Villa de Bacolor. De Leon passes it to Moral. Chog Moral, still no good. He's asking for a foul in there, but no whistle from our referee. Manaloto against Moral. Six minutes and 36 seconds remaining for our second quarter. A fast game face, fast ball game. No fouls called. Let's take a look here. Ang layo nun para dito sa Juan Magalang. Fernilo Licup. But then a free throw para dito kay Jeff Buton. One out of 2 for Jeff Buton. Let's see if he can knock the second free throw. One and 2 for Jeff Buton. 6 minutes and 18 seconds. We're tied at 30. Substitution on the floor. Papahinga muna tong si Ariel Manaloto. Papasok. Etong si Sean Pangilinan of Juan Magalang. As here, Chog Moral. What a play there by Chog Moral underneath the basket. Here. Buton passes it to Rafa Canlapan. Canlapan to Buton again, but no good there. De Leon against the 3 defenders. A steal there para dito kay Pangilinan. But a jumper for Moral. In and out. But a whistle there. Foul on Jasper Asuncion. We take a look here at the beautiful underneath layup neto ni Chog Moral. Credit for this guy. Libreng-libre siya dun eh. The substitution on the floor. Manese out this quarter. Pasok dito. Si Hunan rather. The first free throw is no good para dito kay Sean Pangilinan. 1 out of 2 for Sean Pangilinan. 32-31. Isa lang ang kalamangan dito ng Villa de Bacolor. Hunan passes to Figueroa. Figueroa to Moral. Moral to De Leon. De Leon to Moral. Chog Moral. Another underneath. But a sorry miss there for Moral. It goes in and out of basket. Almost a steal there for Moral. He's able to swipe it. Likup trying. Pass to Jeff Buton. That one-hand shot is no good for Jeff Buton. An inbound para dito sa Villa de Bacolor. 4 minutes and 53 seconds. 32-31. Isa ang kalamangan dito ng Villa de Bacolor. A 3-point shot there from Hunan. In and out, but a putback there para dito kay JP Pangilinan. The 3-point god ng first quarter. Juan Magalang tries to keep up para sa tatlong kalamangan netong Villa de Bacolor. An easy layup there, but a miss there. Another possession para dito kay Moral. Moral, what a nice move there for Chog Moral. Let's take a look at the replay here. Moral against the 2 defenders. What a move there from Chog Moral. That drive from Chog Moral makes their lead back to 5. May bonus pa siya ditong free throw. 4 minutes and 12 seconds. 36-31. 5 ang kalamangan dito ng Villa de Bacolor. As the bonus free throw is good for Chog Moral. Manaloto is now back at this ball game. That one is good for Ariel Manaloto. Another ball possession para dito sa Villa de Bacolor. What will they do? Oh, they find Kurt Figueroa. Libreng-libre doon sa ilalim. If you have a guy or a center like Figueroa, you have to feed this guy. Hanggat libre. He will try to put it on the basket. 39-33. 6 ang kalamangan dito ng Villa de Bacolor. Ariel Manaloto for 3 and he knocks his first 3-point shot of the ball game. The go-to guy of Juan Magalang. The 3-point shot there, no hesitation para dito kay Ariel Manaloto. Here, Pangilinan, JP Pangilinan, passes it to Charles Austria. And that 3-point shot from Charles Austria. Walang pag-aalinlangan dito. Another here. Nice pass there from Manaloto. Oh, but a nice block there from Curl Figueroa. substitution here on the floor. Manlutak checks in for Moral. Manaloto here. He can go here for a quick 2, but he still can go for a 3-point shot in here. Pangilinan. But it bounces out. Ball possession stays in the side netong Juan Magalang with 9 seconds on. Wala na palang natitira for their shot clock. But a miss pass there para dito sa Villa de Bacolor. Dumulas yun para dito sa kamay ni Clarence Manlutak. A turnover para dito sa Juan Magalang. It's their chance to keep up sa kalamangan netong Villa de Bacolor. Manaloto. Nice pass there. 4 defenders. And a rebound para dito kay Clarence Manlutak. Almost a steal there para sa side netong Juan Magalang basketball. Manlutak passes it. A swipe there neto ni Jeff Buton. One thing dito sa Juan Magalang. They're still trying and contesting every possession netong Villa de Bacolor. JP Pangilinan! The 3-point shot of JP Pangilinan without hesitation and whatsoever. He knocks down a basket. Samang kalamangan dito ng Villa de Bacolor. 45-36, 1 minute and 41 seconds remaining para sa ating second quarter. Ito yung sinasabi kanina ni MJ Raimundo sa report niya na sinabi ni Coach Jesus Pangilinan. Rex Cunanan rather. Kompletong-kompleto ang line-up na itong Villa de Bacolor. Fresh from Manila ang mga players niya. And for sure, with the complete line-up, you have the high percentage to win this ball game. Figueroa passes it. Another 3-point shot there. Another 3-point shot there. Para naman dito kay Stephen Hunan. Muntik na akong tamaan doon ng bola after that swipe. But then, JP Pangilinan they go hard on their defense here. These are on the outbound. Passes it to Pangilinan. Pangilinan passes it to Likup. Likup in and out. But first, let's turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ, for her second quarter report. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. Ayon kay Coach EJ Kapati, assistant coach ng Team Bacolor, kulang sa gigil ang mga players. Kanina kaya nalamangan sila ng Juan Magalang. Masyado silang relax, kaya for the remaining quarter, kailangan nila maging aggressive para masustain ang kalamangan. Back to you, Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ. One thing about sa report neto ni MJ is the aggressive style na hinanap netong ni Coach EJ Kapati, which is given na. I mean, pinapakita na dito ng Villa de Bacolor who they really are, sino ang Villa de Bacolor, sino ang mga players nila. Their defense and offense is on point for this quarter. Ang giggle and the aggressive style of Villa de Bacolor is being seen na dito sa ating second quarter as 48-36. 8 ang kalamangan dito. But still, an inbound para dito sa Juan Magalang. Here. Juan Magalang. Manaloto. No good. As we can see here, timeout para dito sa panig ng Villa de Bacolor with 9.1 seconds remaining. 48-36. Mga kasinag, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasiasports@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asia. As the defending champions of our Born 2001 Cup, Pampanga Delta confirms that they will join together with the Hustle Rising Suns and with one Kapampangan and the newly team for our Sinag Liga Asia, the Camarines Norte. An exciting Junior World Showcase awaits this March 2024. 9.1 seconds remaining here. What will Villa de Bacolor do? What a nice move there. And a basket there para dito sa panig ng Villa de Bacolor. What a quarter para dito sa ating Villa de Bacolor kontra Juan Magalang. Take a look, our second quarter highlights Chog Moral, that underneath move from Chog Moral. That pass there from Manaloto. Manaloto, that jumper is good for Manaloto. Pangilinan, another 3-point shot there. Look at that 3-point shot from JP Pangilinan. Another one here para dito kay Ariel Manaloto. But then, the aggressive style nga netong Villa de Bacolor has been excellent para sa kanila dito. That's make them have a 14-point lead para sa 50-36. Kaya mga kabalen, tutok lang po dahil magbabalik po kami para sa ating 2023 to 2024 Delta Cup. back here in 2023-2024 Delta Cup. Villa de Bacolor kontra Juan Magalang Basketball. 14 ang kalamangan dito ng Villa de Bacolor. 50-36 as we can see here. Player highlights of this ball game. JP Pangilinan rather. As we can, another good pass there from Lee Coop. As here. To Figueroa. Figueroa. A nice basket there for Curl Figueroa. 3-point shot there from Ariel Manaloto, the go-to guy of this Juan Magalang. And that underneath basket pass, or that basket from Chog Moral, and the 3-point shot from JP Pangilinan. The guy with no hesitation, a former UST Tiger Cups, or leading scorers para dito sa Villa de Bacolor. JP Pangilinan with 19. Diokino with 8, De Leon with 6, and para dito sa panig ng Juan Magalang Basketball, 20 for Manaloto, 8 for Canlapan, and 4 for Dungka. Kayo pa rin po ay nakatutok sa ating 2023-2024 Delta Cup. At ako pa rin po ang makakasama ninyo. Penelope Wilhelmina, and together with me on the sidelines is MJ Raimundo, and we are still live here inside the BREN GUIAO Convention Center in the beautiful city of San Fernando, Pampanga. Lamang ng 14 ang Villa de Bacolor dito as we can see the rest of their team dito sa kanilang bench. Sabi nga kanina dito sa report ni MJ Raimundo, the players of Villa de Bacolor are fresh from Manila. Mga varsity players dito, mga UAAP stars, at pwede nyo pong tutukan itong Delta Cup 2023 to 2024 sa ating Facebook at Pampanga PIO. Sa mga nanonood po sa ating Facebook, sa mga kabalen, pwede po kayong mag-comment dyan kung sino po ang sinusuportahan ninyong team. Of course, meron din pong tayong YouTube channel at Pampanga_PIO. You're free po to comment whose team you are supporting or sino ang specific player na sinusuportahan ninyo para sa ball game na ito. As we can see here, Ariel Manaloto cherishing the moments. Kahit they are now behind by 14 points, and inbound para dito sa panig ng Juan Magalang. Canlapan to Manaloto. Manaloto kontra dito kay Soto. Manaloto knocks down the 3. No good. Pero put back there para dito sa panig ng Juan Magalang. Care of Rafa Canlapan. De Leon. De Leon passes to Figueroa. Figueroa. Jumper. No good for Figueroa. Let's see kung may magbabago ba dito sa gameplay netong Villa de Bacolor at Juan Magalang Basketball. Let's see if they can keep to the gameplay netong Villa de Bacolor. As a steal there, Chog Moral. Nice pass there to De Leon. Pass there to Soto. Soto, no good. But a rebound there. Jumper, no good pa rin para dito sa panig ng Villa de Bacolor. Turnover para dito sa panig ng Juan Magalang. Jeff Buton passes it to Manaloto. Manaloto, an easy lay up there para kay Ariel Manaloto. A much needed baba na sa 10 ang kalamangan netong Villa de Bacolor from 14. A 4-0 run para dito sa Juan Magalang Basketball. De Leon. De Leon against the 2 defenders. Nice pass there to Figueroa, but no good for Figueroa. 8 minutes and 22 seconds. Manaloto. A 6-0 run para dito sa Juan Magalang Basketball. So take a look here. That drive of Manaloto against the 2 defenders netong Villa de Bacolor. 20 points para dito kay Ariel Manaloto at the end ng first half. This guy has a bright future in the basketball, as I can see him playing and being aggressive and being a go-to guy para dito sa Juan Magalang Basketball. De Leon. Passes it to Chog Moral. Chog Moral to De Leon again. De Leon for 3. But a whistle there. On Ariel Manaloto. 7 minutes and 55 seconds. 50-42. 6-0 run. Still no good for Curl Figueroa. Manaloto against Figueroa. Clearly a foul there against Figueroa. One thing netong second half, the point from turnover netong Bacolor is 19. Samantalang ang points from turnover netong Juan Magalang is only 8. So lahat ng turnover netong Juan Magalang noong first half, tinake advantage netong Villa de Bacolor para makalamang sila dito But still, a 6-0 run para dito sa Juan Magalang basketball. 50-42. Almost 3 minutes is passed by. Scoreless pa rin itong Villa de Bacolor for our third quarter. Moral. Moral for 3. Still no good. But a rebound there para dito kay De Leon. Pangilinan. Pangilinan passes it. Oh, a swipe there. But a put back there. Passes to Figueroa. Moral to Figueroa. But a put back there by Curl Figueroa. Finally a basket. After the 3 minutes of our ball game. A blocking foul there against Curl Figueroa. So take a look here at the replay. That pass of Moral to Figueroa. Almost a miss there, but a put back there from Curl Figueroa. A graduating player of Nazareth School of National University Bullpups. Sumusunod sa yapak ng kanyang kuya, si Jake Figueroa. NU Bulldogs. Here, Chog Moral. Moral can go here for a quick 2, but a jumper for Chog Moral, no good. Rebound there by Juan Magalang. Oh, what a nice move there. Para dito kay Jeff Buton. The Manaloto and Buton connection is on point for this ball game. Figueroa to Moral. Moral trying to set a play in here. Moral for 3. Still no good for Chog Moral, and a rebound para dito kay Jeff Buton. And a foul there called on Chog Moral. Take a look here. An 8-2 run for this third quarter. That three-point shot is no good. Almost a putback there by Juan Magalang. But a steal there for Rafa Canlapan. To Manaloto. Manaloto! What a move there by Ariel Manaloto. This guy has been so aggressive. A jumper is good para dito kay Jarafel Gioquino of Villa de Bacolor. Justin Alboleras. Steal there by Curl Figueroa. Figueroa to De Leon. De Leon. Back to De Leon. For a traveling violation para dito kay Gioquino. Four minutes and 59 seconds. 54-47. Pito ang kalamangan dito ng Villa de Bacolor. 14 kanina yan. Nababa na ito sa 7 ng Juan Magalang. JB Pangilinan for 3. That guy never misses a 3-point shot. Lahat ng 3-point shot niya, walang pag-hesitate, walang pagdududa. I knocked down a 3 here, and it's a basket for me. Chog Moral. Moral jumper. Almost. Finally, a jumper is good para dito kay Chog Moral. 4 minutes and 13 seconds remaining. So take a look here, that beautiful move from Chog Moral. I thought ipapasa pa niya yun dito, but then he decided to put it on a jumper. 4 minutes and 13 seconds. Time out on the floor, 59-47. We can see here, JP Pangilinan. Look at that 3-point shot. JP Pangilinan already 22 points. All his 3-point shot is on point. No hesitation, but now let's start it over. So our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, for his third quarter report. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. After the first half, ay asked JP Pangilinan, isa sa mga player ng Team Bacolor, na grabe ang pinapakita ngayon. 22 points, 2 rebounds, 3 assists, and 3 steals. Ano ang naging motivation niya at ano ang sinabi ni Coach sa kanya bago magsimula ang laban? Tiwala at grabe din kasi ang confidence na binibigay sa akin ni na Coach. Kaya ginagawa ko lang yung mga gusto nila na alam kong makakatulong sa game namin ngayon. I also asked JP kung meron ba nanonood sa kanya ngayon at sabi niya, meron daw at nandito ang mga relatives niya na taga Pampanga na todo suporta sa kanya at sa team nila. Back to you, Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ. One thing from her report, trust from his coaching staff, and proven that in the basketball from Coach Gilbert Malabanan of LPU Pirates, naglaro siya sa Sinag Lakas 40, told me that trust is the vital component of teamwork in basketball. Kaya todo yung pinapakitang tiwala ng mga teammates nito ni JP Pangilinan sa kanya, kaya naman he was able to put all his 3-point shots a basket count for this ball game. As a good put back there by Ariel Manaloto. 3 minutes and 8 seconds remaining, 59-51. Walo ang kalamangan dito ng Villa de Bacolor. Jeff Buton. Rafa Canlapan rather. Take a look at here. Ariel Manaloto is beautiful layup in there. One thing about Ariel Manaloto, matangkad na siya and sobrang aggressive pa niya when it comes to all his drives eh. Wala siyang pag-aalinlangan sa lahat ng drives niya. That's why he was able to put all his drives into a basket. As that free throw is good para dito sa Juan Magalang. 59-53. 6 na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Villa de Bacolor. 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining. Turnover here. Ariel Manaloto against De Leon. De Leon, Manaloto rather. No good. But a foul there for Ariel Manaloto. So take a look at that replay in there. Lee Coop. And he draws a free throw in there. 0 out of 2 for Lee Coop. 2 minutes and 39 seconds. That second free throw is good para dito kay Nilo Lee Coop. 5 na lang ang kalamangan ng Villa de Bacolor as Dioquino steps out of this ball game. And Noel de la Cruz checks in for Villa de Bacolor. Chog Moral, bababa ngayon ng bola dito para sa Villa de Bacolor. Moral. Nice pass there. But a whistle against Nilo Lee Coop. The great defense of Juan Magalang basketball. It's very on point on here. from 14-point advantage na itong Villa de Bacolor. Nababa nila ito ngayon onto only 5 points for our 2 minutes and 11 seconds remaining for our third quarter. What a run para dito sa Juan Magalang basketball. The substitution para dito sa Juan Magalang. Villa de Bacolor rather. Santos checks in. Alboleras. Alboleras passes it to Rafa Canlapan. Dapat ipapasa na rin dito kay Manaloto pero naagaw nito. Sayang yun. No good para dito kay Noel de la Cruz. Nice pass there from Ariel Manaloto to Nilo Likut. Here, JP Pangilinan. The Mr. Three-point guy. And a foul there against Justin Alboleras. 59-56. Tatlo na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Villa de Bacolor. An inbound for Moral. Moral to De Leon. De Leon, jumper. And he draws a foul in there. Para dito sa point guard ng Villa de Bacolor. As we take a look at this replay here. He has no choice. Bantay na bantay siya doon. Bonus free throw is no good for Andre De Leon. Buton. Buton passes it. Balik dito kay Alboleras. Alboleras to Manaloto. But a foul there against Noel de la Cruz. 61-56, 59.7 seconds remaining. First free throw is no good for Ariel Manaloto. One out of two para dito kay Ariel Manaloto. 61-57. Apat na lang ang hinahabol dito ng Juan Magalang. JP Pangilinan, I think, is going for a three. He's going for a quick two. No good para kay JP Pangilinan. Pero rebound there by De La Cruz. Pangilinan. Nice pass there to Chog Moral. Dumulas lang yon sa kamay nito ni Noel De La Cruz. Napalakas lang ng pasa itong si Chog Moral. But then a good decision for the side of Villa de Bacolor. Manaloto. Nice pass there to Jeff Buton. And a drive there from Buton. Draws a foul in there. Take a look here. That pass of Manaloto to Buton. What a great move for Jeff Buton. 27 seconds remaining. 59-61. I'm speechless over there. 60-61. Isa na lang ang kalamangan dito ng Villa de Bacolor. From 14-point lead, now down to 1. 21 seconds remaining. But Andre De Leon on the free throw line here. 1 out of 2 for Andre De Leon. Out of 2 for Andre De Leon. A much needed free throw basket para dito sa Villa de Bacolor. Balik sa tatlong kalamangan. Manaloto against dito kay JP Pangilinan. But a foul there against JP Pangilinan. Well, a good defense para dito kay JP Pangilinan. Stopping this Ariel Manaloto. Oh, out of 2 para sa free throw neto ni Ariel Manaloto. 9.7 seconds remaining. 3 ang kalamangan dito ng Villa de Bacolor. Can Manaloto knocks this free throw? Again, 1 out of 2 for Ariel Manaloto. De Leon to De La Cruz. De La Cruz to Moral. Moral for 3. No good. That ends our third quarter. 63 to 61. Ariel Manaloto has been the hero for Juan Magalang. As we take a look at third quarter highlights, that beautiful move from Ariel Manaloto in there. 31 points for a rebound and 4 assists for this ball game. All from his aggressive drives and his no hesitation drives. Take a look at that foot there by Ariel Manaloto. I can say nothing. That makes this ball game a 2-point advantage para sa panig ng Villa de Bacolor, 63 to 61. As we can see here, the man of the hour para dito sa panig ng Juan Magalang basketball, Ariel Manaloto, already with 34 points, 4 rebound, 4 assist. A very aggressive player para dito kay head coach Joey Mercado of Juan Magalang basketball. We are now headed to our fourth and final quarter of this ball game. Question is, can they sustain their defense strategy na pinakita netong third quarter? Chog Moral. Oh, what a buzzer beater shot for Chog Moral. Here, Likup back to Manaloto. Alboleras knocks down a 3. 9 minutes and 13 seconds remaining, 65 to 64. Isa baba ulit sa isang kalamangan netong Villa de Bacolor. JP Pangilinan, ang unang missed 3-point shot para dito kay Pangilinan of this ballgame. A beautiful drive there from Manaloto. Almost a basket for Ariel Manaloto. As first we turn it over to our courtside reporter, MJ Raimundo, for her fourth quarter report. MJ, take it away.
Thank you, Pen. Teamwork. Yan ang sinabi sa akin ni Kian Duncan ng Juan Magalang bago matapos ang third quarter na kailangan nila ang isa't isa para lumaban at malamangan ang Bacolor. Tulong-tulong sa depensa at kung kailangan mag-man-to-man defense gagawin nila para ma-adjust nila ang kanilang opensa at depensa. Naririnig ko nga kanina na gusto nila pigilan itong si JP Pangilinan. Kaya abangan natin this fourth quarter kung titikit ang laban o patuloy ang kalamangan ng Bacolor. Back to you, Pen.
Thank you so much, MJ. Teamwork and to stop JP Pangilinan. Those two things para sa report neto ni MJ Raimundo is one thing that worked para dito sa Juan Magalang basketball. They were able to stop JP Pangilinan and being Ariel Manaloto dominant and aggressive. This makes this ball game 67 to 65 right now. 8 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. As we take a look here, that pass of De Leon. No look pass, pero nakaabang kasi dun eh. Itong si Ariel Manaloto and a drive there from Ariel Manaloto. 8 minutes and 37 seconds lamang na po dito ang Juan Magalang basketball. 67 to 65. 8 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. As we can see here, head coach Joey Mercado of One Magalang Basketball and coach Rexan Cunan of Villa de Bacolor. At change of favor, dalawa ang kalamangan dito ng One Magalang Basketball from a 14-point lead netong Villa de Bacolor. Chog Moral, but a put back there, no good para dito kay JP Pangilinan. As Figueroa checks in for Villa de Bacolor. Base nga doon sa report kanina ni MJ Raimundo. Sa huddle netong One Magalang, their game plan is to stop JP Pangilinan, the 3-point guy netong Villa de Bacolor, and teamwork At kitang-kita naman talaga natin na for the third quarter at simula netong fourth quarter of this ball game, it has been the key para lumamang itong One Magalang dito sa ball game na to. As I mentioned in there, a 3-point shot there para kay Justin Alboleras. Siya yung libre dun Manaloto, bantay na. But then, a foul there called against Alboleras. Take a look at the replay here. That 3-point shot from Alboleras, no hesitation whatsoever. Finds the bottom of the net. De Leon jumper only with one hand. Put back there, no good. De Leon. Finally a basket for Andre De Leon of Villa de Bacolor. Alboleras. 3-point shot for Likup rather. Rebound para dito kay Chog Moral. Foul there against Alboleras. 7 minutes and 19 seconds. 70-68 lamang dito ang One Magalang Basketball. From the biggest lead of the ball game, 14-point lead netong Villa de Bacolor. Now they are ahead by 2 points. 1 point na lang ngayon as that first free throw from Chog Moral is good. 2 out of 2 for Chog Moral. We are now at a tied ball game. Tied at 70. 7 minutes, 19 seconds remaining. Inbound dito para kay Likup. Likup to Buton. Buton passes it. What a great move there, para dito kay Jasper Asuncion coming off the bench. RJ Guevara rather, I thought 20 yung jersey number niya. Balik sa dalawa ang kalamangan nitong One Magalang. Diokino to De Leon. De Leon jumper. No good. Pero rebound by Figueroa. Figueroa to Pangilinan. Finally, a 3-point shot there by JP Pangilinan after missing his first attempt no fourth quarter. What a rebound para dito kay Figueroa. A nice pull-up para dito kay head coach Rex Cunan. We have a guy like Figueroa. And JP Pangilinan inside the court. Buton, no good. But a put back there. Still no good para dito sa One Magalang. But then, the all-around and the hero for One Magalang, Ariel Manaloto, able to put back it there. 6 minutes. 74-73. Isa lang ang kalamangan dito ng One Magalang. Moral. What will Moral do? He draws a foul in there. They're asking for a basket. But then I thought na una ang whistle. Bago niya ma-release yung shot na yon. Take a look here, Moral. De Leon. De Leon passes it to JP Pangilinan. No good for JB Pangilinan that time. Almost a rebound there for Curl Figueroa. What a move there. Nice pass there. Still no good. Para dito kay RJ Guevara. Oh, what a move for Chog Moral. A sorry miss for him, but he was able to put it back on the basket. But a foul call there for Joaquino. He's trying to stop there as we take a look at that beautiful move by Chog Moral. A miss from that move by the putback also from him to secure that basket. 75-74, balik sa Villa de Bacolor ang Kalamangan. 5 minutes remaining as Licup. That one is short for Licup. Figueroa on the rebound. Figueroa passes it to Joaquino. Joaquino to De Leon. De Leon! But an offensive foul there para dito kay Andre De Leon. As we take a look at that replay. One thing about our referees, malilinaw talaga yung mga mata ng mga yan eh. Licup to Canlapan. Rafa Canlapan knocks a 3-point shot. Balik dito sa Juan Magalang. Kalamangan, 77-75 with 4 minutes and 23 seconds remaining. What a fourth quarter we have right here. De Leon asking for a basket in there. Yes, it's a basket, I think. Sumenyas dito. Si referee Jong. Take a look at that replay. De Leon finds a way na i-balatra yun doon sa ating board to papasok sa ating basket. The free throw is good para dito kay Andre De Leon. 78-77. The favor is now back at the side of Villa de Bacolor. But that 3-point shot is no good from Licup. Figueroa to Moral. Chog Moral. And a foul there from Licup. He's trying to stop there, Chog Moral. A great contest para dito kay Licup. But then, of course, he's disappointed that he draws a foul in there. Three minutes and 53 seconds remaining para dito sa ating fourth and final quarter of this ball game. I've witnessed a lot of games as that first free throw is no good for Chog Moral. As I have been saying, I've witnessed a lot of games na ganito kadikit yung laban. And one thing na nagiging change of events dito is the momentum eh. Pag ganito lang nadikit yung laban, momentum is the only thing as that second free throw is good for Chog Moral as a timeout on the floor. 79-77 in 3 minutes and 53 seconds remaining for our fourth and final quarter. Again, mga kasinag, SLA Junior World Showcase Philippines is now accepting teams. For interested teams, please send us a letter of intent at sinagasasport@gmail.com or send us a message through our Facebook page, Sinag Liga Asa. As the defending champions of our Born 2001 Cup, Pampanga Delta is back for Sinag Liga Asa to defend their crown. What a move there para dito kay Erioy Manaloto. De Leon. And now again the tied ball game, 79. natapik yun dito ng Juan Magalang. A great defense na pinapakita dito ng Juan Magalang as we take a look at that replay. Ariel Manaloto, no hesitation from that layup. Chog Moral for the inbound. But nakabantay ang dalawang players doon ng Juan Magalang. A turnover for the side of Juan Magalang. 3 minutes and 20 seconds remaining. Nagkakagulo pa sila dito kung kanino ipapasa. A nice block there para dito sa panig ng Villa de Bacolor. A rebound para dito kay De Leon. Pangilinan, passes it to Moral. Moral passes it. Nice pass there! From Joquino to Figueroa. Figueroa has been quiet for this second half of our ball game. But then if there's a chance na libre itong si Figueroa, this Villa de Bacolor takes a chance, an opportunity for Figueroa to score a basket. We're tied again at 81, 2 minutes and 25 seconds remaining. This Villa de Bacolor can go for a fast break, but then they have JP Pangilinan inside. As I mentioned right there, a one-hand shot there for Andre De Leon. Oh, and a steal there para sa panig netong Villa de Bacolor, and a nice layup there para kay Andre De Leon. Apat na ang kalamangan netong Villa de Bacolor. 1 minute and 51 seconds remaining. Pangilinan. Pangilinan jumper. In and out. But Manaloto is there. Still no good para dito kay Manaloto. But Buton is there. But a foul there. Take a look here. That beautiful layup from Andre De Leon. Libreng-libre siya dun So we take the opportunity para umangat ang kalamangan nila dito sa apat. As an inbound para dito sa panig ng Villa de Bacolor. Curl Figueroa rather. You can see here together against dito kay Mr. All-Around guy Ariel Manaloto and the hero para dito sa Juan Magalang basketball. Chog Moral. Moral. Pero an offensive foul called there para kay Chog Moral. Nasobrahan sa aggressiveness etong si Chog Moral. From that place, take a look. May siko kasi yung sa dulo Arboleras. In and out. Oh, nice swipe there para kay Jeff Buton. And a celebration there for the bench netong Villa de Bacolor. So you can see here, Chog Moral. "57 seconds remaining. Moral. Jumper! It's good for Chog Moral. A very important basket para dito sa Villa de Bacolor. 6 ang kalamangan. 87-81. 3-point shot for Arboleras. No good. A rebound for Curl Figueroa. Moral. Nag-foul na doon dito. Itong si Jeff Buton. 39.2 seconds as we can see here. Head coach Zoe Mercado. Take a look here at the replay of Chog Moral. Nalibre siya dun Nice fake from Chog Moral in there. Was able to put back his defender. Kaya nalibre siya dun for his jumper. At that first free throw is no good for Chog Moral. Oh, out of 2 for Chog Moral. A turnover para dito sa panig ng Villa de Bacolor after the 2 missed free throw of Chog Moral. You can see here head coach Rexan Cunanan And here, head coach Joey Mercado of One Magalang Basketball securing their place. Mahaba-haba pa tong 37.4 seconds remaining. 6 lang hinahabol dito ng One Magalang Basketball. As a 0 timeout left para dito sa panig ng One Magalang Basketball. At isa pa, ang natitirang timeout dito ni head coach Rexan Kunan rather. So you can see here, Ariel Manaloto, what will he do for the remaining 37.4 seconds remaining? Can he be a total hero para dito sa panig ng One Magalang against JP Pangilinan? The 3-point shot, the Mr. 3-point shot, or rather 3-point king of Villa de Bacolor. Arboleras passes it. Likup to Arboleras. Knocks a 3. It's good for Arboleras. Ito ang sinasabi ko sa inyo, mahaba-haba pa yung 37.4 seconds right there. In the timeout, a buzzer there. But then, merong contest dito ang side ng One Magalang. 25.7 seconds remaining. Nakikipagtalo dito ang coaching staff ng One Magalang sa naging call dito ng ating referee for the timeout. As I mentioned earlier, nung timeout kanina, wala nang natitirang timeout dito ang One Magalang Basketball. I think etong si head coach Joey Mercado thinks that they are both out of timeout together with this Villa de Bacolor. But then, ina-explain na itong mga referee natin that nung nag-timeout sila, may natitirang isang timeout itong Villa de Bacolor, which is a perfect opportunity na ginamit dito ni head coach Rexan Kunan after the 3-point shot nito ni Justin Alboleras. He have to stop the momentum of this One Magalang basketball if he wants to continue or win this ball game rather. So I'm saying earlier that 39.7 seconds remaining as to take a look at that 3-point shot of Alboleras in there. A go-to guy for Ariel Manaloto kapag guarded siya masyado. They are taking a look at the replay. They are still contesting here with our referees. But the ball game must go on. Sabi ng mga ating table officials sa si referee Dennis Escaro. They're asking for a review here. And referee Zhong is going to review that last play. As you can see here, head coach Joey Mercado with a very much disappointed face. And this is an opportunity para dito sa parehong kupunan to secure their final play for our 25.7 seconds remaining. Sinitignan dito ng ating mga referees kung ano ba talaga you can see here, referee Zhong. Makikipagtalo pa din dito si Coach Joey Mercado of One Magalang Basketball. Sa ating table officials, he's explaining himself why he's asking for that review. Oh, that clears it. Ang nirereklamo dito ni Coach Joey Mercado ay yung oras. Because here on our floor, we have 25.7 seconds remaining. But then, ayun, tama ang challenge niya done because our clock here goes back to 30.6 seconds. Every seconds count for Coach Joey Mercado. Dahil tatlo lang itong kalamangan ng Villa de Bacolor. As I'm saying earlier, that 39.7 seconds remaining, mahaba-haba pa to. As an inbound for Villa de Bacolor. After the 3-point shot and the challenge for the time dito para sa panig ng Juan Magalang basketball. But here, Figueroa passes it. JP Pangilinan knocks down of securing 3-point shot in there. 21.5 seconds remaining. That's an easy basket there para kay Ariel Manaloto. But a foul there against Ariel Manaloto. 16.3 seconds. Apat ang kalamangan dito ng Villa de Bacolor with 16.3 seconds remaining as Chog Moral will draw his securing free throw wins. 1 out of 2 para dito kay Chog Moral. Five-point lead para dito sa Villa de Bacolor. 15.7 seconds remaining. Alboleras. Likup. But a backcourt violation para dito kay Likup. A good stop. A good defense para dito sa Villa de Bacolor. They were able to stop yung magiging run dito ng Juan Magalang as Diokino on the outbound. De Leon. But Figueroa is there and another foul para dito sa panig ng Juan Magalang basketball. Eight seconds remaining. Figueroa on the free throw line. First free throw is no good for Curl Figueroa. Five-point advantage para dito sa panig ng Villa de Bacolor. Make it 6. 8 seconds remaining. And a steal there para kay Andre De Leon. And there you have it. There you have it. Villa de Bacolor secures their win against Juan Magalang basketball. What a ball game. For a second quarter run and with a third quarter run para dito sa Juan Magalang basketball, trying from a 14-point lead. Nababa nila to on, nakalamang pa sila dito ng dalawa onto our third quarter of this ball game. But then they were able to secure their win with, of course, the help of their go-to guy, the Mr. 3-point shot, the king of the 3-point shot para dito sa Villa de Bacolor. At now, kasama ko na nga ang ating Delta Cup Best Player of the Game, JP Pangilinan with 29 points, 6 rebounds, 3 assists, and 3 steals, and 1 block. JP, what a great performance. What a nice shots in there. So, ano ba yung nagpanatili nung composure mo for this ball game against the Ariel Manaloto of Juan Magalang basketball?
Una-una sa lahat, yung defense na namin. Tapos, yung binibigay ng mga coaches namin, yung tiwala nila sa akin. Basta pag alam kong... Basta lagi yung mga tira ko, bawat tira ko lang inisip ko na papasok to. Kaya, yun.
JP, what more should we expect for JP Pangilinan para sa mga susunod niyo pang laro dito sa Delta Cup?
Expect nyo na kailangan namin manalo dahil kailangan pumasok ng quarterfinals. Kaya yun.
Now JP, I will give you the chance to greet all your family, friends, and sa lahat ng sumusuporta para sa Villa de Bacolor.
Sa mga nanonood sa Villa de Bacolor, thank you sa suporta. Pagpatuloy nyo lang. Binabati ko din yung mga family ko, yung mga lolo-lola ko, sila Papa Don, Mama Son. Papa ko nanonood ngayon, pati mga pinsan ko.
Once again, JP, congratulations. And I'm hoping that you can really go more way beyond sa pinakita mo for this ball game. Again, 92-86, Villa de Bacolor win against Juan Magalang Basketball. And coming up next is Ingbayong Mexico kontra Level Up Lubao. For MJ Raimundo and on behalf of Direk Nomer Santiago, Direk Mike Danan, Direk Billy De Leon, and the rest of the hardworking men and women na nagtrabaho dito sa Delta Cup 2024, this has been Penelope Wilhelmina, and I'm saying that life is a better place to be when basketball came along.